Alright guys, how to set up Face ID on iPhone. So navigate to settings and then scroll a bit down to find Face ID and passcode. Press it, enter the passcode, or if you're new to iPhone, just go to the Face ID and passcode. And now we're gonna set up Face ID, right? And now what you're gonna do, you can of course find position in your camera, or find a position for your face, position your face in the camera frame, and then move your head in circles to show all the angles of your face. Once you do that, you can apply the settings using the Face ID. As you can see right here, I'm moving my head slowly, and now I'm gonna hit continue, move my head slowly in a complete circle, and now Face ID is set up. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.